Hot dog buns. Don't buy it in the supermarket, make it yourself. It is the fluffiest hot dog bun of your whole life. For this recipe, we'll use ingredients that you have at your house. First, let's add 2 eggs. And let's beat it very well. If you prefer the written recipe, just comment down here, I want. Now add half a cup of sugar, a good pinch of salt, half a tablespoon of dry yeast, and a cup of milk. And then mix it until it's all dissolved. Now let's add 3 cups of flour. Mix it with a spatula, but soon we are going to use our hands. Knead it until it's very smooth, just as you can see on the video. Now it's time for the butter. Here I'm adding half a cup of it. Now you're going to knead it, and it will look like it's not gonna be right, but just trust the process and knead it until it's very smooth. Then let it rest for 1 hour or until it doubles the size. Around here it has already grown, and look how fluffy it is, guys. Seriously, there's no secret for it. So now we are going to divide it into 12 equal parts. Done that, let's shape our bread. And to do it, it's everything very simple and easy. Take one of the parts, put it on the counter with flour, and let's open it with a roll, this way as you can see on the video. And then using your fingers, we're going to roll it, and that's it. It's super easy, right? Now let's put it in a greased form with oil or butter. And let's let these buns to grow. Here I'm going to let them there for 30 minutes because it's hot in here. Now they have already grown, and let's brush some egg yolk with a little bit of milk on them. Then take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. But keep an eye on it because it will depend on your oven. I sprinkled some sesame, but it's totally optional. And my hot dog buns here are already done, and just take a look at it, guys. Look how fluffy they are. And I recommend you guys to wait for it to be cold, because if you don't, the dough will not be so good. Oh, and I have a really good tip for you guys. If you want it to be very fluffy on the outside, you just have to brush some butter when it comes out from the oven. And just look at it, guys, seriously. It's fluffier than the one we buy on the supermarket. Here at my house, I don't buy it anymore. I just make it, and it's a huge success. Everybody loves it. If you make this recipe, guys, you will have to tell me down here because I really want to know what you thought about it. And now, as you know, it's my favorite part of this video. I'm gonna try this wonder and see if that's delicious. And guys, I hope that you could feel the way I'm feeling right now. Seriously, just make it at your house. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10.